These are some of the payments received from this site. You can earn $6 in just 1 minute, $6.5 in 3 minutes, $7 in 5 minutes by just watching YouTube videos online. This video, I will show you how to make money online watching videos. As you can see, there are many videos that you can watch and make good money. This is one of the best ways to get paid to watch videos, and I will show you a bonus website in the end of this video, which will help you earn double or triple more money than others. So keep watching to make real big money online. First of all, I want you to come over to rapidworkers.com. Rapid Workers is a freelancing website where you can make money by doing small tasks. For example, signing up on an app, liking posts, follow on Instagram, Twitter, or on LinkedIn, watching YouTube videos, etc. Basically, small businesses and professionals use this site to market themselves for low cost and to increase their sales, better rankings, creating backlinks, and much more. This website is here since 2009, and more than 100,000 people work on this site to make a living. This is one of the trusted websites of all times, and it pays its employees more money than its competitors pay. And if you type on Google, Rapid Worker real or fake, you will find that Rapid Workers is a legit website. And the good thing is that you can withdraw your earnings directly into your PayPal account. To register on this site, you can click on this sign up option on the top. And on this page, you have to fill in your name, your email address, create your password, and select your country. Then check on this box. Now, very important, read these 4 conditions carefully, not following which you will eventually get banned on this site. The first condition is not to use VPN or any other masking IP software. Second, not to create multiple accounts with same IP address or using a shared or public Wi-Fi. Third, you cannot use same IP with other account to do the task. Fourth and the last, not to do other country jobs that you are not from. Keep all these conditions in mind. And after that, check on terms and conditions box and click on create my account. They will send you a confirmation mail within 14 days. Click on this link and you will be able to log into your account. The dashboard of this site will look like this. And we are on an available jobs page right now. And here you will find different small jobs to do. It hardly takes 3 to 5 minutes to earn a good amount for the small tasks. And if you select most paying option above the payment option, it will show you the top paying jobs. And as you can see, these offers are available for different countries like India, USA, UAE. And the best part is that there are international works also, meaning you can be from any country in this world and you can still do this job. And there are mostly international tasks available on Rapid Workers, which is a great news for us. But we will focus on making money by just watching YouTube videos. For this, you have to type YouTube in the job name. Now you can select the offer for your country. And if you are not from any of these countries, scroll down and select the international offers available here. As you can see, there are many YouTube videos which you can watch and earn anywhere between 10 cents to 20 cents per video you watch in just 3 to 5 minutes. Let's say you select this offer. You can see around 200 people have completed this task and there are 1,000 total slots for this task. Here you can see the amount you will earn and the time it will take to finish this task. This is an international task and you can do it from anywhere in the world. And here are the main instructions of the task. Go to YouTube and search Google Ads Campaign 2022 and click on the video by Ali Razov as shown of this link. You can open this link in the new tab and see the thumbnail of this video. Then watch it full and do share, but do not share on WhatsApp. You have to follow these simple instructions. And after that, you have to share the screenshot of your comment, meaning you have to comment on that YouTube video. Screenshot of the video when you complete watching it, plus screenshot of platforms where you share this video, and you have to answer how many times he said the word Google Ads campaign in this video. You can take the screenshot with the snipping tool already available on your PC or laptop, and you can upload that screenshot to either IMGBB site or PRNT site. After that, you have to provide the links to those screenshots here in this box. Also, you have to answer the last question in this box. After that, you have to click on this button. I confirm that I have followed instructions and completed this task. One important thing you have to keep in mind is that your success rate should be higher than 75%. This means that the tasks you have completed, 75% of them are marked as successfully completed by the employer. This is 0 right now because this is a new account, and you just need $8 to withdraw your amount earned on the site. You have to write a mail to this email, admin@rapidworkers.com, once you hit the $8 mark, providing your email ID on Rapid Workers, your PayPal email, and your IP address under last login info. And if you want to make more money doing small tasks, you can come over to microworkers.com. This is the similar website to Rapid Workers, and here also you can make good amount in less time. And to make more money online, click on the video showing on the screen right now.